Well, hello there, ladies and gentle scrotums, and welcome back to a very nice fun video.
Stop it. Get some help.
Now, in this video, we're going to be going back to the horrors of Granny's house. Only this time, we're going to her other house, the one where Peepaw lives. Let's do it. Yo, Elijah Hominator here. What's good, my Elijah Hominats? And welcome back to the channel. The name's Elijah, A to the K to the A, Elijah Hominator. And we are back in the universe of Granny. Now, in today's episode, we're going to be playing Granny Chapter 2, which is my personal favorite Granny game. Tell me your favorite one in the comments. And in today's episode, we are going to be escaping with that dang helicopter. So, have my difficulty on easy. Shut up. I don't want to hear it. I already know you guys are going to bash me about it in the comments. I don't care. And, of course, we're going to have both of them quality high, because my phone is brand new and it runs very good. So, we're going to do this crap. Gotta crack open my cold one up in here on day one. Gonna escape with that dang helicopter. Also got some chicken real quick. Now, one thing I kind of like doing is I like to go over here. Crap. Flick the switch. Go over here, that'll attract them over there. Both of them, actually. Even though Peepaw doesn't hear nothing. Eat some chicken while I'm waiting. See, there's Peepaw, that dirty old man. Yeah. Where's Green? Yeah, there she is, that stank old woman. See y'all later. Oh, crap. Alright, check this. Nothing in there. Might have to change my sensitivity, hang on. Alright, ladies and gentle tits, I just changed my sensitivity so it won't be so squirrely. Alright, cutting pliers, it's not bad. And hopefully it'll be better, but key. I don't freaking need that, I need the helicopter. Helicopter stuff, oh my. I swear, they're gonna be coming up my butt in a minute. I know they are. Alright, day 2. That was not cool. I was minding my own business, and Granny fricked me from behind. Alright. Also, I excused for my thumb being in the camera the way it is. I know y'all probably can't see my beautiful faces. Oh no. No, no! Hating my life right now. I'm gone. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm gonna crack this open. Oh no! Peepaw taking a dump. Oh no! 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 Crap. Day 3, man. We're already on day 3. This ain't looking good. That chicken. Yeah. Yeah. Good chicken. Give me some chicken. Alright, where can I go without getting my butt screwed? Alright, check that. Nothing in there. Of course. Granny! You stank old woman, get yourself a shower. I'm gone. Great. Check this. Spark plug. Ah, frick! I don't freaking need the spark plug. Please don't. Please don't. Oh! No! People! People, no! I'm gonna... Alright, okay, Granny's been out here. Oh, yeah, she's over there. I'm gonna go in here. Get a little butt in here. Alright, frick this. Alright, so apparently this is a very... Crap. Apparently this is a very crappy algorithm because I ain't seeing jack diddly squat that I need. And I'm gonna crash out, so... I don't know, man. Alright, what I need? I need to get that taser gun. I need to shoot Papaw in the mouth. Take that off of him. Unlock the security room. Do all that stuff. Alright. Helicopter key. Alright, yes. Finally, something I need. Alright, there's the... where you get the shotgun. Right. Granny, don't you... Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. Oh, no. Peepaw. I swear, Peepaw's gotta be... Oh, no! Granny! Oh, my freaking... Can you move? And Peepaw's right on the stairs. Cause why not? Yeah, why not have Peepaw on the freaking stairs? And I knocked that thing over. Alright, worst case scenario, I'm going in that casket. Oh! An even worse scenario. No! No! Wait, it's okay, I can just go ahead and run up here. Alright, I'm gonna go up into this little cubby space, one of the safest places in Granny's house. Oh my... No, I don't freaking shit. Alright, there's gas. I'll need that for the helicopter. Freaking... I need that to make a noise. So she'll go in there. Let me eat real quick. Prop y'all like that. So I'm gonna catch a breather real quick. There's Papaw right there. Oh! Freaking Granny. Oh! I'm sandwiched. These strategic buttholes. Granny. No! 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 Day 4. This is not fun. I hear y'all giggling in the background. Granny and Grandpa are doing me dirty. Of course, I do amazing off camera, but the second I start recording... I swear if they're up here, I'm gonna crash out. No! Ain't no way. Ain't no way! No! Ah! Last day, man. This ain't good. This ain't good. And I wish I could adjust the controls. I wish I could play with a dang controller. I'd be goated with that. Instead of having to put my stupid thumb on the camera. Oh my gosh, I hate this. Please don't be up here. A fifth time! A fifth time. No. Ah! Oh, Papaw didn't see me. I better get my butt over here. A piano. No. Alright, Granny's right there. If I can stay out of Peepaw's vision. But dang, man. Alright, pliers. No, I'm going in here. I'm too scared. Oh, get in there. Of course, she had a trap right there. What a meanie.
No. Wait.
This game is against me. This game is... Alright, you see that shining? That's an item, yeah? What do y'all think is up there, huh? Huh? Take a wild guess! Guess what is up there? Through the wall where I can't get! I'm getting that dang shotgun. I'll go out with a bang. No! Oh my gosh. I hate these people. Oh, Papa's using stupid cameras. Oh my gosh. Oh no! Did you hear that? This freaking game. Yes, weapon key. Yes. I'll be able to get my revenge. I might not be able to win it this time. That's only because this freaking key glitched out. Oh yeah. Y'all are done. You're banned. You're banned, Granny. Oh, hey, people. Frick you! Right in the nuts! I know Granny heard that. She has the hearing of a dog, and Peepaw has eagle eyes. Yep, there she is. Frick you! Get that crap out of here. Oh, that felt good. Get out of the freaking way, Grandpa! Get out of the way! I swear I'm about to crash out on this game, bro. Alright, unlock. Alright. I'm gonna see one more time if I can get that helicopter key. It's still glitched through the freaking ceiling, mother fricker! Get out of the trap! This freaking game, bro. This game. Guys, I might not be able to get out with the helicopter in this one. I might in the next life, though. I'm not sure. Well, this is day 5, so... Yeah, it's probably over. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, maybe that'll reset? Good. Good friggin' chicken. No! Alright, I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Alright, so everyone, I managed to get the duct tape and the gasoline up here. And I got that picture frame in here. So let's fall. Let's break our legs. I'm gonna belch in your faces. And crap, I'm limping. That was Peepaw. Oh, frick. Hey, Peepaw, you look stupid. Hey, remember when I shot your nuts off? Oh, that was funny. We grabbed the shotty. And, maybe I could, get some revenge on these buttholes. Oh, hey, Granny. Oh! Oh! Frick! Crap, now they have me trapped in the Iron Maiden.
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
Bro, that is just a big whopping slap of bullcrap right there. That's just stupid! Alrighty, fellas, this is the second attempt. We are on day 2. I managed to take Grandpa out, and I am up here now. I'm just looking for the helicopter stuff. Okay. So, I'm just gonna carelessly jump down and break my legs.
Stop it. Get some help.
I'm chewing gum right now. I just took them both out, so we should be good for a little bit. I'm gonna get this up here. Hopefully I can get this up here tonight. If not, then I promise I will do it some other time. I just hope I can beat it tonight. Oh, also, I'm sorry to everyone who wanted to see my beautiful face while I was recording. I do apologize. My thumb gets in the way. There's a safe key. Please don't be back. Oh, gosh. Alright. Oh, this freaking game. Spark plug, I don't need that crap. I'm gonna check. I already did. Oh no. Please don't be up here, please don't be up here. No. Alright, Peepaw's right there. Did he just go in that room? Hey, Paw! Hey! Oh, he didn't go in here. Okay, good. My idiot self thought he came in here. Alright. I'm gonna slap this down. Oh, crap. And hopefully, we can get that last piece without getting our butts clapped by either Granny or Grandpa. No! Get out of my way! So I can go play Ring Around the Rosie. Yeah, I'm going this way. I'm running. Loser. L beta.
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright. Just to get her butt off me. If I fell down there, I would lose it. Hopefully I'll distract her long enough. Keep breaking my leg. Yeah, the reason why I'm walking... Oh my... She didn't fall for it. Yeah, the reason why I'm walking on like broken legs is because of the adrenaline of being locked up in this stupid house. And Peepaw's right there, of course. I'm dead. I'm done. I'm finished. Ah! This is not fun. Yeah, the stun gun's right there. I used it earlier. Can't pick it up now. Oh my gosh. I almost got done for. Alright. Peepaw's in there. I'm gonna crash out. Alright, let's go. We have no time to waste. Put that down there. Yeah, also, in case you guys haven't noticed, I am chewing gum because chewing gum is scientifically proven that it'll help you concentrate better. So that's one of the reasons why I'm doing it. You didn't have to cut me off. I'm doing 3 pieces of cinnamon flavored gum. So where's it? Okay, I'm trying to pry this open. Okay, there we go. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. All right. Ah! Oh gosh! Shut up. I see. All right, day 3 once again. All right, got to get back up there. Get them cutting pliers. Open Wait, crap. Well, I haven't checked down here. Papaw's down here. I'm gonna friggin' cry. Right, he's not. Nothing there. Absolutely nothing. Great. Oh gosh, this game. Grab some here. Glass fuse. Please don't be out of here. I'm grabbing this thing. Ah!
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
Granny! Oh, that's what you get. Oh no. Peepaw's coming, I know he is. He's gonna be mad I shot his wife. Oh, I knew it! I knew it! Go! No, Peepaw! You know, I gotta get the shotgun too. I've just got to. I need that shotty. Of course. Great. Pliers. I'm gonna bring these around here. Alright, put them right there. Take that zapper, shoot that, break my legs.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh gosh, this game. Oh, people! Climb! Go. Alright, they cannot get up here. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Alright, of course. I get it, like the MLG I am.
You didn't have to cut me off. No, we were nothing.
Cutting pliers, we crouch. Alright. Crack this open. Alright. We pop that open. Nosferatu is gonna fall out. Give me that key. Alright. We'll put this key right there. Now I'm gonna grab this stun gun and grab my thing. That came out wrong.
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright. Oh yeah, and I did check that, so yeah. Gosh, my thumb is all up in the... Nothing. This freaking granny. Alright, Shorty fell. She's okay. She fell on a towel. Guys, we might not be able to escape. We might be done for. Yeah. If I lose, then I'm just gonna end the video. Stupid game. Boat key. I don't freaking need the boat key. Now I'm running for my life. Stun gun, stun gun! Yeah, frick you. Alright, he's gone. Ah! Get on my face, Frank. Get the frick out of my way. Get out. Get out. Get out of the way! Frick. I gotta find out what the frick I'm gonna do. Ladies and gentlemen, alright, so what I went to do is I went to go and feed the little dude. Alright, fed him. I went to the thing, got the crowbar, opened one of them. One of them had the, what's it called in it? The, glass fuse? No, not the glass fuse. the padlock key. And this one had the weapons key, so I'm gonna go up here. Why am I going up there to get the shotgun? Alright, please don't be around here. I did shoot him a little bit ago, but I could have worn off by now. Yep, I knew it! I knew it! Oh, yeah, there's Grady right there. Please don't see me. Please don't freaking see me! Give me that freaking shotty. Alright, I'm gonna sit here for a minute. So, Granny went to there to feed the little butthole. Grandpa, or Peepaw, I'm thinking he's like to the right. My gosh, man. This could be a clutch. Alright, I'm gone. Papaw's in front of me, then I can just shoot him. The little mini game thing has like infinite shotgun shells in. Oh, I better calm down. Yeah. After I get this done, I'm gonna have to go back, grab the glass fuse. Alright. I gotta pray that the gasoline is somewhere around here. Alright, so here's a little game. I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. Alright, this one done. Crap. Frick. I missed. If this was real life, then those targets would be down already. I kid you not. I'm not trying to be boastful. Frickin'. Alright, watch. Be patient, be patient. That's one. Alright, patient time. Patience. Patience is key. Patience, Elijah. Yeah! Oh, crap. I forgot to do that. I'm such an idiot. Alright, let's go down there. Grab that fuse. Yeah. Crap, man. I don't have the duct tape or the gas. Frick. I might have to... might have to do some other... Oh, gosh. Oh, no, I might have to do some other stuff. Here's the padlock key, but it only does a few things. So yeah, the padlock key might be useless for me this round. Great. Peepaw, I just want the fuse. I just want the fuse, Peepaw. Ah! Can I swing around? Oh, no, I cannot. I'm gonna sit here for a little bit. Oh my God. Yeah, almost all of my dinosaurs have fallen over from me slamming the...
Stop it. Get some help.
Last day. Oh no, man. Oh. Might have to trick him again. Hopefully I can grab that door lock. Alright, door lock. Give me that. Open it. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Run over here. Run. Alright. Now you guys can see the thing I'm about to do. It's called a pro gamer move, so to speak. There's Peepaw. And there's Granny. Don't follow too closely. Yeah.
You didn't have to cut me off. I can never know we were nothing.
That's what you get. That's what you get. Alright, I'm gonna grab that glass fuse, go on that thing, and see what I gotta deal with. Alright. Hopefully that keeps him in there for a long time. Alright. Alright, slap in this glass fuse up in cheer prep. Alright, slap that in. Let's see what we gotta work with over here. Alright, there's the helicopter. The duct tape fixes the blade, and the gas fills it up, and of course the helicopter key works it. And we have read the manual, so we can go ahead and grab it. Or get in, whatever. But I have to get all the stuff. Frick, man. Frick! I'll be right back with y'all in a minute. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I just came on down here, and look at that. Lo and behold, the gas can. Now, yeah, I'm on the run. I'm gonna get the frick out of here. Let's go! Oh, yeah! Don't worry, I took Granny out. I'm gonna get the frick out of here. Let's go! See, I got the duct tape going. I'm just gonna fill this thing up, I guess. I'm gonna take the key, and we're gonna get the frick out of here, guys. Whoa, yeah! Oh, yeah! Freaking load it up, butthole. There we go. Alright, let's get the key and let's get the frick out of here. Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Yes! Yeah! Oh! Oh, there they are. Frick y'all! Frick y'all! One for each. Yeah! That's what the frick I'm talking about. Oh, crap. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We beat Granny Chapter 2. I hope you all enjoyed this episode. And, I mean, we did it. I was on day 5, guys. One simple mess up, and we wouldn't have had this victory. But, hey, we did it, guys. That is just freaking awesome, man. Just so awesome, man. We beat y'all buttholes. Frick y'all. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this far. If you like this video, go on down into the basement, the downstairs, and hit that like button. Comment down below on any potential ideas that you might have for the future of the channel. Elijah Hominators and Everything channel. We do everything around here. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. I still need to make myself a good little special for that. And, you know, I'm trying to get my watch hours up because after I reach like 4,000 valid watch hours within a year, then your boy will be able to make money on YouTube. So if you guys will bring that to me, that will be like such a blessing. I'll be so thankful. So, yeah, just thank you all for watching this far. And with all of that out of the way, I'm not going to take any more time out of your day. So goodbye. I love you all. God bless you. And remember, Jesus is Lord.
Stop it. Get some help.